While the markets have been in turmoil, crypto projects march ahead regardless. In this video, I'll look at the progress of Allfeat, a report on music Web3 by LoopFans, and a recent crypto project automating music distribution called Songs. I thought I would do another update on Allfeat, as the team is fast making progress with development of its music and artist registration. New documentation has also been updated. But first, a refresh on what Allfeat is. You can see a link to my first video in the description for an in-depth explanation. Allfeat is a layer 1 blockchain like many chains out there, Ethereum, Solana, etc. But it's different in that it stores and uses metadata specific to the music industry, rather than just transactions. These are called MIDs, or Music Industry Decentralized Data Structures. The idea is to bring registration of works and royalty collections on-chain for greater transparency and efficiency. Furthermore, as an open source project, this opens up the possibility for a variety of applications to be built on Allfeat. They could be related to ticketing, streaming, AI, or whatever programs developers dream up. And the network is starting to grow and develop, reaching a milestone of 16 nodes by March 20 of this year. Also note, I haven't seen their official token released yet, so be wary of scammers selling fake tokens. But Allfeat is still in its infancy, and the team are allowing early adopters to try out registrations of music-related metadata. However, in order to do this, you need a compatible Polkadot wallet like Subwallet or Talisman. And you need to obtain tokens from their Melody testnet. A PDF instruction file can be downloaded from their Discord site. You also need to find the MIDS registration site from Discord or Twitter. And you can register as a rights holder or register a musical work. I managed to register my artist name of Donak RV along with my IP number, which identifies the owner of publishing rights using free tokens from its testnet. If you're registering a work, you'll need the title and perhaps the ISWC number. Previously, Allfeat was going to have a layer 2 chain that connected to Ethereum. But now only the one chain is needed, with a dual layer consensus called Proof of Authority and Proof of Metadata. In the Proof of Authority, pre-approved industry partners and technical operators will protect the system against spam and network abuse so that it can scale efficiently. In the Proof of Metadata, anyone with AFT tokens can contribute by submitting metadata and staking tokens as collateral. This means they can submit information about songs and songwriters, and there's a 21-day period for the community to contest the information. Allfeat has been working to facilitate partnerships in the music industry, including partners like Misugami. Misugami is a Paris-based music publishing label that focuses on both high-tech creative inspirations to work with songwriters and the music industry. Some other artists and labels have begun registering on MIDS, including Banfara Records, Ablaye Sissoko, a top 10 artist from Senegal, Pietro Music, and Alice Animal. Songs is a recent project that allows music creators to distribute their songs. You can create a new artist profile or use an existing one. A new artist involves name, profile picture, and bio. And then creating and distributing a new track seems fairly straightforward with 3 steps. The innovation of Songs, however, lies in the automation of the process, and that it offers the possibility to sell shares in the future benefits of the songs to fans. The ranking of songs, according to streams on its website, shows how many song shares there are in a track, the price per share, and how many sold. As a user on the SongShares platform, I have an account with a crypto address. Note the account uses the stablecoin USDC. There are several ways to add USDC funds to the account. If I want to purchase song shares of a track, I find an artist's profile and pick a track. I just randomly chose this artist, Matteo Tambusi. Let's look at his first track, Burnout. You can see the price per share, which is $1 here. When purchasing, you can see clearly the conditions of purchase. Altogether, there are 10,000 shares at $1 per share and a limit of 1,000 shares for each buyer. This allows the buyers to share in the streaming royalties of the song. At the moment, the top rankings only show streams in their thousands, so the artists on this platform have a long way to go, but this project has only just started, so it will be interesting to see how things go from here. Finally, I came across a Web3 industry report created by LoopFans, a Web3 direct-to-fan platform aimed at music artists and labels. So while it's also advertising its own services, it does give a good introduction to the Web3 landscape of the music industry. I came across it via LoopFans' Twitter page, so you'll have to follow them on X. Looking at how fans can now be investors in the music they love, some of the trends explored include fractional royalty ownership, master recording investments, crowdfunding, and direct-to-fan engagement. Fractional royalty ownership is evident in songs, which was looked at in this video. I also looked at Royal.io, which seems to have pivoted to AI. The report also mentions many of the projects I've explored on this channel, such as Allfeat and Core Protocol, but also other projects I'm yet to check out. It's worth a read as a fan of music tech if you can find it on Twitter, but be skeptical as an investor and always do extra homework, because many of these projects are startups that may not be around in 5 years. If you found this interesting, please like and subscribe and leave a comment on any projects you're interested in. Thanks for watching.